Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Capizzi with the Calculating Cats, and this is the video for our contingency plan for day one. We will be doing lesson 14-1, number sequences, and our I can statement is, I can use a rule to create and extend a number pattern and identify features of the number pattern not described by the rule. So what we're going to do is take a look at the solve and share here. It says look at the rules and starting numbers below. What are the next 6 numbers in each pattern? Tell how you decided. Describe features of the patterns. So what I want you to do is pause the video and give these a try. And then when you are ready, you can restart the video and we're going to go over the solve and share. So here we have our solve and share, and I can see that my starting number is 18 and the rule is add 3. So to complete that,
please contact the main office. Mrs. Wetzel, please contact the main office.
I apologize for the interruption. So I would start by doing 18 plus 3, which is 19, 20, 21. And then from there, I would add 3 more. So then I've got 21 plus 3, which would give me 24. To continue the pattern, the next one would be 27, then 30, 33, and then 36. And for 17, it says to add 2. So I'll start off by adding 2 to 17. And I get 19. To get my next number, I would take 19 and add 2 more. So that's 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, and then 31. And for the next one is 40 subtract 4. So I would start with 40 and take away 4. So I can count back 39, 38, 37, 36. So my first number would be 36. Then 36 minus 4 is 32. 32 minus 4 is 28. 28 minus 4 is 24. Then I've got 20 and then 16. Okay, so make sure you check your solve and share. And then what I want you guys to do is turn the page. And we're going to take a look at the essential question. Normally students watch the video of this as the visual learning bridge, but we're just going to go over it together using the pictures in their book. So the essential question is, how can you use a rule to continue a pattern? So the house numbers on a street follow the rule add 4. If the pattern continues, what are the next 3 house numbers? Describe a feature of the pattern. So you can try that up here, and then you can see they completed it in the box on the left. It says use a number line to continue the pattern. A rule is a mathematical phrase that tells how numbers or shapes in a pattern are related. So I can see, since they told us that add 4 is the pattern, I would count on from 16 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I end at 20. Then I would count on 4 more, and the next house number would be 24, and then the pink house would be 28. So to describe a feature of the pattern, so some patterns have features that are not given in the rule. So one of the features here is that 16, 20, 24, and 28 are all even numbers. So you can look for features such as that when you are describing the patterns. So now let's go ahead and turn the page again and go through some of the guided practice. So what I want you to do is pause the video and try the guided practice questions on your own, and when you're ready, restart the video and we can go over the answers to the guided practice. Okay, welcome back. Number 1, Rudy's rule is add 2. He started with 4 and wrote the numbers below. Which number does not belong to Rudy's pattern? Explain. So I know that 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, but here 8 plus 2 equals 10, not 9. So 8 plus 2, so I know that 9 does not belong. And then 10 plus 2 is 12. So 9 does not belong to Rudy's pattern because 8 plus 2 equals 10, not 9. And then here, for number 2, continue the pattern, describe a feature of the pattern. So subtract 6. So 48 minus 6 is 42. 42 minus 6 is 36. 36 minus 6 is 30. 30 minus 24. I'm sorry, 30 minus 6 is 24. And then I have 24 minus 6, which would get me my next number, which is 18. And then I would have 18 minus 6, which is 12. And then I would have 12 minus 6, which is 6. So what you're going to do for your independent practice today is the following. For independent practice, you're going to complete questions 1 through 13, 15, 19, and 20. We did eliminate question 16, which was on the original paper, and that's on pages 735 to 736. And what we ask that you do, once you finish your independent work, if you could take a picture or a screenshot and email it to us so that we can grade it that day, that would be awesome. So again, here's the problems that you're completing. I have them circled. On the front, you're going to complete 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then on the back, you'll complete number 13, number 15, and then number 19. Please refer to your email with Ms. Landis and I with our email addresses, and also feel free to message us on Class Dojo. Stay healthy, everyone, and we can't wait to see you when we get back to school. Have a great day.